Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. In the first step, go to search bar and type your control panel. Then click here to open it. Then we need to set view by as category. If you selected large icons, then change it to simply category. Now click on hardware and sound, then select power options, and now click on power change plan settings and click on change advanced power settings. Once you are here, click on USB settings, expand this and then again expand this one, and we need to set this as disabled. Then click on apply and then OK. Now close Windows and simply go to search bar, type your disk management, create and format disk partition. So once we are here, we need to simply listen just carefully. If you see the unlocated, so you can see this is blue one, so it's primary partition. If you see the black one, that's unlocated, then simply right click on it and select unlock space, then create a new sample and just select any drive you want to create it and click on next and finish the process. And that's it guys, it's very easy. You have to do this and your problem will be solved. Simply restart your system and problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and yeah, you're good to go.